Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here. I just wanted to show you these really special plants today. This is a Musa, it's called Siam Ruby. Musa is a banana plant. These will get perhaps 6-8 foot tall if you grow them outside in the garden. I'm going to recommend you get them and keep them indoors over the winter period because these are not a hardy variety. But you can have it as a lovely little house plant, and then come spring next year, once the frosts have gone, plunge it into a bed or border, and this will reach 6-8 foot tall, and you're going to have these dramatic leaves like this. Really quite something special with the foliage, but equally just keep it indoors as a house plant all year if you wish. It will stay compact in a pot, but yeah, something a bit unusual, a bit different. You've got this lovely patination on the leaf. If you've got a jungle style garden or something, you want something to brighten it up, something a bit more unusual, this is a variety for you. And then I thought that's nice. Moving on to another Musa, and look at the colour of this leaf. This is a variety known as Nono Pink. Well, actually it's lots. We've got a special clone here produced for us specially. You'll see these advertised online with perhaps the odd wisp of pink in the leaf, but ours are really bright. We've got a special mother plant that is exceptionally well coloured to produce these for us, so we've only got a few, and they're a rare sort of collector's plant. I've seen these on other websites, perhaps £80 a plant, about this size. So you want to be quick for these because they're Gardening Express pricing, and we've only got a few. So remember that one. Same effect as the other bananas. Keep it indoors and then bring it out in the summer for these, or keep it indoors all year round. It's Musa Nono. Thanks very much, and I'll see you next time.